Well, we're back on the project here in the garage with my two good hands. So we're going to make some cuts on our brackets and then do some welding, get them welded up. We did do a few tacks off camera, but let's get some cuts going here. And have some, that's going to be difficult to cut, isn't it? Maybe not. Okay, so change our grinding wheel. So that allowed us to bend that real nice. Now we can get our welder fired back up and change our PPE to welding. And we can go ahead and weld this all up. And we'll weld what we can here. We'll weld some up here and be beautiful. Let's put this down here. Okay, we're going to work on the welding of our brackets. PPE on. It's going. Now what we're going to do is weld this stuff here and weld this bracket, and it'll be good. Found our problem. Ran out of wire. That's why the wire stopped feeding. So we need to reload the wire, which is pretty easy. We're going to get another spool out, put it up, and we'll have to put another spool on our list. We're back. Changed the spool of wire on the MIG welder. Okay, I got some ugly welds there. That's why it kept stopping. That's fine. Running out of wire. Okay, there we go. Let's see, we got a little here and a little there to do. And then we got the other side of this to do, so. Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. We're grinding our brackets because we're getting ready to paint them so we can get it back on the RV. A lot of PPE with this because there's noise and all sorts of things. But we are using a 60 grit or 40 grit flapper wheel. Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Look what we've got. We've got it all welded up here. See, we fabricated this kind of nice in the back there. Fabricated this in the front. We're going to mount these underneath and show you that. So let's get started. Okay, so we got to get our tools together here. We've got our small locator screws for the front, and we've got some different ways to drive those. We got to get this under here like this, lift it up, and get the screws in here started. So we had to grind the hole open a little because it was a little bit misaligned. I don't think that was our problem, but it helped us. We got it on there. Got to get these front bolts up, and we'll tighten this one up and we'll be ready for the bumper. Okay, so there we are. Have to put these in. So here's where we at. We got the bolt in the back in. We got our two small bolts in to support that so it won't go up and down when we put the bumper on. Same thing on this side. That all in, all snugged up. So we're gonna get the bumper on and we'll be back. Well, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Hey, we've got our bumper back on. We're good there. The brackets are in here. You probably can't see them, but they're inside here. This plastic opening is going to need a little trimming. Basically what we'll do is we'll slide something inside there and come against it and trim it out that way. It'll be pretty easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next video, we'll fit the poles and figure out where to cut and start building our brush grill. Catch you in the next video.